Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. From last couple of days we are discussing about some important terms which are used in genetics, which are useful in genetics. While studying genetics we will come across about these terms. So before taking genetics we must have an idea about these terms, what these terms mean. And up to yesterday we have taken 11 terms. Today we will take up the 12th term, which is monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. A cross which involves the inheritance of one character, one gene, or one pair of alleles, or one pair of characters, pair of contrasting characters at a time, is called a monohybrid cross. A cross which involves the inheritance of one character or one gene or one pair of alleles or one pair of contrasting characters at a time is called a monohybrid cross. Aksa cross yath maz is parashe inheritance of one gene ya one character या one pair of alleles या one pair of contrasting characters. क्योंकि one gene means one character, it controls one character, and one gene has a pair of alleles and one character has a pair of contrasting alleles. So we can say the inheritance of one gene or one character or one pair of alleles or one pair of contrasting characters at a time is called a monohybrid cross. For example, cross between tall and dwarf pea plants is a monohybrid cross, which involves one character, that is height. It is called a monohybrid cross. Now number 13th term, that is dihybrid cross. A cross which involves the inheritance of two genes, two characters, or two pair of alleles, or two pair of contrasting characters at a time is called a monohybrid cross, is called a dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross वो गो सह क्रॉस यथ मज अस परो एक साथ द इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ टू जीन्स मीन्स टू कैरेक्टर्स, चूंकि टू जीन्स कंट्रोल टू कैरेक्टर्स, या टू पेयर ऑफ एलील्स, चूंकि टू जीन्स कंटेन टू पेयर ऑफ एलील्स, या टू पेयर ऑफ कंट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स, चूंकि टू कैरेक्टर्स मीन्स टू पेयर ऑफ कंट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. डायहाइब्रिड वह कुन साथ पॉलीहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. And poly means many. Simply a cross which involves the inheritance of more than two characters, many characters at a time, that is called a polyhybrid cross. Number 15th term, that is F1 generation. F1 generation. The generation produced by crossing two parental stocks is called F1 generation. The generation produced by crossing two parental stocks is called a F1 generation. This generation which is obtained after crossing two parental stocks, that is called F1 generation. For example, yele capital T to small t cross demo at near F1 generation was capital T and small t. Yus ye first generation which is obtained after crossing two parents, that is tall and dwarf parent, this first generation we call as F1 generation या first filial generation. First filial generation. 16th term, that is F2 generation. The generation which is obtained by crossing two F1 individuals. The generation which is obtained after crossing two F1 individuals is called a F2 generation. In such generation which we get after crossing two F1s, that is called F2 generation. Yani agar is F1 and don demo cross I2 generation need, that is F2 generation. For example, capital T small t is F1, ahdemo big capital T small t say cross I2 generation as need, that is F2 generation या second filial generation. Second filial generation. Similarly, if we have F3 generation, a generation which is obtained by crossing two F2 individuals, that is called F3 generation. Number 17th term, that is back cross. Back cross. A cross between an F1 individual with either of the two parents. A cross of F1 generation with either of the two parents, that is dominant or recessive, that is called a back cross. A cross between F1 individual with either of the two parents, dominant parent या recessive parent, it is called a back cross. Ox cross yath manz is F1's demo cross with either of the two parents, with dominant parent or recessive parent. Both the crosses are called reciprocal crosses. Both the crosses are called back crosses. Both the crosses are called back cross. Imi manch a cross, that is test cross. Test cross. But the cross of an F1 individual with the recessive parent, is called a test cross. And it is a type of back cross which involves the cross between F1 individual with the recessive parent. It is called a test cross. It is called test cross. Achvana is test cross. Why? Because it helps us to test means to know, test karun kya ko zanun, whether the F1 is homozygous or heterozygous. Ke im search as pata laga yus F1 ch isha homozygous kin heterozygous. Is it pure or hybrid? Because if it is pure, then all the plant, if this F1 is pure, then all the plants will be of only one type. But if it is hybrid, it is heterozygous, then 50% of the plants will be of the dominant parent and 50% of the plants will be of the recessive parent. And it helps us to test whether F1 is homozygous or heterozygous. We will explain it in later on. 19th term, that is reciprocal cross. So Mendel performed a set of crosses in which he make reciprocal exchange of genes. This reciprocal cross involves two crosses. It is a set of two crosses, pair of two crosses concerning to the same character but with reverse sexes. Then we will take a pair of two crosses. Both the crosses are concerned to the same character, about the same character but reverse sexes. For example, if we will take capital T, capital T and small t, in one cross we will take this capital T, because these are bisexual plants, as male, and small tt, that is dwarf, as female. In another cross we will make another cross with both with the same parent, that is capital T and small t. Here we will take capital T as female and small t, that is dwarf parent, as the male. And here we will, in the first case, we will take only male, and from the dwarf we will take it as female. We will remove its male early, and we will cross these, and in another cross we will take this tall as female and dwarf as male. The result of all the reciprocal crosses is always same. The result of reciprocal crosses is always same. Simply here what we do, we, in the first case we take one parent as male, another as female, and in another cross we will take the first parent as female and second parent as male. This is simply the reciprocal exchange of these sexes, and in one cross we take one A as male, B as female, in another we will take A as female and B as male. This is all about the terms. Inshallah, in the next lecture which we will take Mendelism. This is all for today. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.